Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to share Instagram story to Facebook account story. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Instagram application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Instagram login ID and password. To share your Insta story in Facebook story, you need to make some changes in your Instagram story settings. For that, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. At your profile, you need to tap on the three horizontal line on top right corner. You tap on settings. Under settings, you tap on privacy. At the little down, you can see the option of story. You tap on it. Scroll to the very last. Here you can see the option of share your story to Facebook. You slide the button. As I have been directed to the login page of Facebook, here you need to provide the email address and password of the Facebook that you want to get linked with your Instagram account. So go for it. After you're done, you tap on login. As you can see, my Instagram account has been linked with my Facebook account, that is Nancy Abbott. Tap on continue. As you can see, your Instagram account has been linked with your Facebook account. So now you go to the home page of Instagram. Now you add a story. Here you can see at the very bottom of left corner, there is your Instagram profile and also your Facebook profile. Now, if you tap on it, then the story will be shared in both your Instagram and Facebook story. This is how you can share your Instagram story to your Facebook account story. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to share your Instagram story to your Facebook account story. Thank you.